Why are custom brushes so important? If you have watched some of my art streams, you probably know that I use lots of different custom brushes. But Beatrice, that's cheating! If you don't draw every little detail yourself, then it's not really your piece. Whoever's saying that, I'm going to have to stop you right there. The only rule in art is to not steal someone else's. Use whatever means you have to your disposal. Lots of these amazing concept art pieces made by pros use photo bashing, meaning using real-life photos in their art. They're pros. They have deadlines working for movies and shows. They're not gonna waste their time doing every little detail of a piece when another big project is right over the horizon. Art takes a lot of time, and I mean a lot of time. For example, the time it took me to make this was around 40 hours. The time it took me to reach the skill level in art, over a decade. When a hobby takes this much time out of your life, having custom brushes makes art faster and easier. For example, here we got a brush that is shaped like a tree. While it will only make a solid colored tree, I now have a base to work off of. If I didn't have this brush, I would have to look up a reference of a tree, carefully draw every branch, every patch of leaves, every single time I want to have a tree included in my piece. I love drawing detailed work, but loathe how long it takes to draw those details. Loathe no more because there are brushes for some of the most intricate details of life. Chain brush? Oh, how I love you. Drawing every single chain link is such a pain. But now it's just whoosh, there's a chain. Of course, I still have to detail it with shadows and highlights, but this alone saves me so much time. Have a character with a complicated tattoo? Make your own brush. And every time you draw this, you just boop and adjust to fit. Not quite sure how to draw the glare of the sun? Well, bam! Don't feel like drawing a flock of birds? Wow, look, there's like 30 of them in just 1 second. Want a certain texture? Wow, so many. When I first discovered custom brushes, my art immediately leveled up because of how amazing some of these brushes are. There's so many out for free, and so many you can make yourself. The options are literally endless. So if you don't use custom brushes, just do it. Your time is precious and can never be given back once used, so don't use it by making art harder on yourself. Work much smarter, make it better, do it faster, it makes you stronger as an artist. Let me know in the comments what custom brushes you like. If you have any questions, feel free to find me on any of my social media, hang out with me on Twitch or in Discord. I take commissions if you like my art, and there are some free VTuber assets on my Ko-fi. Bye bye! Love you!